Okay. Hi, Assalamualaikum. So, welcome back to my channel. This is Kakak Pateng. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so welcome back again. So, for those yang dah tengok I punya previous videos, thank you so much. For those who haven't watched my previous video, please check it out, okay? After this, thank you in advance. Okay, so today is nothing much. I just realized that I haven't posted anything for 2 weeks. Okay, actually I just realized just now. It's really really random punya realize. Faham tak? Dia macam, so I check, I open and because I open and YouTube because of my friend Celine berkenaan dengan YouTube, masakan YouTube dekat dalam YouTube. So I buka dah, and then I pun macam tiba-tiba nak buka I punya channel, dan I check, oh yeah, it has been 2 weeks. I didn't post anything. So I macam, oh okay. So today I just wanted to share about process, okay? But right now I pakai apa, telekon because of baru lepas solat subuh dan baru lepas mengaji. Okay, because right now is currently oops, pukul 6.31. Okay, 6.30. Okay, so basically I tak ada apa nak buat sangat, macam kenapa I buat video ni, sebab I pakai ni telekon kisah sekarang kan baru pukul 6.30, baru lepas solat subuh dan baru lepas mengaji. So malas nak salin dan malas nak bersiap lagi. Okay, so just I terus macam ni, but yeah, don't judge me to apa, macam I not show to you all that I'm good. No, I know no one's perfect, but then I pun tak cakap I good. So this is just a random video because I just macam malas je nak siap dah. Okay, tu sahaja. Malas nak siap tudung lagi. So bila dah pakai telefon ni, just terus je lah buat. Okay, so actually tadi I nak cerita berkenaan dengan apa, pengalaman I pakai braces. Okay, my journey maybe 6 months. It's already 6 months. Okay, so for my first video I dah cerita pasal macam mana you nak start pakai braces, what's the information you have to get before you pakai braces. Okay, so I macam first I cakap, you have to survey you have to survey the dental clinics nearest to your house. Okay, so I survey banyak sangat dekat Klang and Shah Alam is a very so many dental clinics. Okay, so I banyak sangat survey lah. Survey ada survey and then apa macam dah survey few tu, then I jadikan dia sikit. Contoh I dapat 2, I cari almost 20 if I'm not mistaken, then I kecilkan lagi I cari lagi daripada 20 kecilkan jadi 10, and 10 jadi 5. So dalam 5 tu I pun bincang tanya dengan friends, my BFF, which is she wanted to wear braces again, which is pakai braces sekarang ni adalah kali kedua because of dia tak disiplin pakai retainer. Okay, so this is happen kalau for those yang dah pakai braces and tak disiplin pakai retainer, memang dia akan bergerak balik lah. Okay, and then so me and her dah decided lah nak pergi dekat one of this dental clinic which is area Shah Alam. Dalam orang is around 20 minutes from my house lah, kan, 20 to 25 minutes from my house. And then so we decided to go there on the weekends. So but then I just macam tiba-tiba tak tahulah gatal sangat, I pergi tanya dekat another one of my BFF. I tanya dia sebab dia baru pakai dalam 3 months masa tu lah, masa tanya tu dia pakai dalam 3 months macam tu. So dia kat mana kau pakai? So dia cerita kita pakai kat one place, one clinic, this clinic. So I pun macam check, so this clinic dia ada branch which is dia dekat Meru and Kapar. Just Kapar pun lagi dekat dengan I lah. So I dekat Kapar, Klang, Shah Alam dekat sangat. So tempat paling dekat is Kapar. So I just macam, oh okay, so why not I try pergi sana? Sebab kalau kawan I semua pakai, kalau kawan I dah pakai kat situ, dia kata okay, so why not try pergi consultation, which is consultation is free. And then I pergi, I tak buat mula-mula, memang I try, I wanted to do an appointment for consultation, but di situ the staff said that kalau nak appointment waktu petang, but I prefer untuk waktu pagi actually. Okay, sebab waktu pagi tu macam energetic sikit lah. So tanya dia, tak boleh ke kalau walk in, sebab kalau I nak waktu pagi, dia kata boleh, tapi kalau walk in kena tunggu. Aku macam, oh okay, tak apa, tak ada masalah, I tunggu. And then I pergi yang the first impression is senang, sangat senang nak cari, sangat senang nak parking, sangat senang. Okay, and then my first impression when I step in dekat dalam klinik tu is I truly love it because of the wall is so orange colour. Okay, the wall, the clinic's wall is orange colour. Can you imagine? as you can see, my things banyak warna orange, which is the wall, and then my blankets warna orange. So this I truly love orange color. And then so bila masuk je, saya tunjuk gambar dia, okay. So bila masuk macam, oh, it's very nice. The clean liners, and then the friendly stuff. It's a very, masa tu I rasa macam welcoming gila lah, welcoming gills, and I sangat rasa welcoming masa I masuk tu. And then bila tu I tunggu dalam around 10 minutes macam tu je, sekejap sangat. So kalau walk in tak ada masalah. So I tunggu dalam 10 minutes tu, dia panggil nama I, and then I jumpa doktor. Dia ada dentist. The dentist name is Dr. Kavi. Oh yeah, if you want to check whether your dentist is legit, there's a web that I will yeah, the web is http, so I akan letak kat situ. So dekat sini. Okay, dpims.moh.gov.my, so dental practitioners information. So kalau you masuk kat situ, so you adalah yang kena ni, and then go to the DPIMIS, so I akan letak dekat situ. Okay, so you boleh check. Oops, so I akan letak dekat situ lah. I akan letak dekat after this, okay. So you boleh check dekat situ. You just, what all you have to know is just the dentist names, the dentist name. Okay, so contohlah my dentist name is Dr. Kavi, so I just put down his name, Dr. Kavi. So dia akan keluar lah nama the details about the dentist. Okay, so nanti akan tunjuk. And then bila masuk dekat bilik tu, the dentist is very friendly, very welcoming. I just love it on my face. That was my first impression lah bila kat sana. Bila sampai sana and masuk dalam bilik dentist, is a very welcoming gila. And then the dentist asked me what is my problem. Okay, so I told him that I have a very not a very nice teeth, which is gigi I dekat yang atas ni dekat belakang, gigi bawah ni dekat depan. Okay, I tak ada gigi sebab doktor pasang bite razor. I akan tunjuk bite razor tu macam mana. I ada, which is first masa I pakai first month tu, I ada 2 bite razor. So, dentist, oh okay. And then masa tu gigi taring I. Okay, kalau you nampak sekarang ni, dia tak nampak kan gigi taring I? Tak nampak tapi dulu gigi taring I memang sangat nampak sebab dia keluar. So, bila I senyum, I ni pula memang jenis, kalau senyum nampak gigi, I suka. I ni memang jenis yang buat iklan gigi. Okay. I ni memang jenis buat iklan gigi. Kalau senyum memang I akan jenis yang nampak gigi. So, bila dia senyum, dia macam ni. Ini tak nampak tau. Actually, this one, gigi depan tak nampak. Gigi taring je akan nampak. Okay, gambar. Okay. So, I show the dentist, and then bentuk gigi I adalah petak, dia tak bulat. Kalau macam ni, dia akan nampak gigi I cara nampak bulat, but then masa sebelah pakai gigi I petak, nampak petak the pictures. Okay, and then gigi I jarak. Okay, actually dia nampak jarak. See, so bila dentist say okay, means I ideal untuk nak buat. Okay, and then I asked the dentist whether I can extraction ke cabut gigi lah, and then the dentist said no, I don't need to do cabut gigi because I dah ada space, gigi I dah ada space untuk bergerak. Okay, so it's a very, I'm so glad, I'm so thankful because I'm not very sure, and I don't know how macam mana sakitnya cabut gigi because I tak ada experience, but I can feel that it's a very sakitnya because I banyak lah dengan experience orang yang kata sakit, but I'm so glad that I don't, because I don't have to. Okay, and then so on the same day, I pun pakai, I terus macam I pun tak sure because first I dah macam dah plan betul-betul nak pakai Air Asia Alam tu, clinic Air Asia Alam. Bila sampai kat situ untuk buat consultation je, I terus macam okay, I nak buat kat sini. Saya tanya the dentist, I nak kena buat apa tu, X-ray. And then on the same day pun I terus buat X-ray. Okay, X-ray I bayar 100, and then after 2 weeks, I call the clinics bila I boleh buat bila I boleh buat next appointment lah. And then dia bagi tahu okay, I pergi hari Isnin, and then after 2 days I call bila boleh dapat next appointment, which is hari Rabu. And then the staff said hari Jumaat. So I pun pergi hari Jumaat. Buat 3 benda. Pertama, doktor buat scaling. Yang kedua, dia pakai mall, dia pasang mall. So nanti tunjuk mall. So macam kita punya sampel gigi yang sebelum pakai braces. Okay, and then yang third pakai gambar sebelum pakai braces itu. Lepas tu dah settle, and then I ask the dentist bila I boleh pakai braces. So waktu tu memang nak pakai cepat-cepat because of some reason. Okay, sebab masa tu tengah cuti dan dah nak start balik mengajar. So I tak nak rasa sakit lah bila lambat pakai waktu dah start mengajar. I tak nak ada rasa tak best waktu mengajar kan, sebab orang kata baru first pakai akan sakit. So I tanya doktor boleh tak pakai awal, sebab I takut bila pakai lambat, and then masa dia nak start mengajar, I sakit gigi ke apa semua, and then dia pun tolong I untuk set di appointment yang cepat lah. And then dia cakap, on Monday is it okay? On Monday I macam, oh yeah, it's definitely okay. Sebab macam within 1 week I dah boleh terus pakai. So I pakai. So on coming Mondays, the next Monday, I pakai braces, terus dia pakai braces atas dan bawah. Then I chose orange and black because I don't want to the dentist nampak sangat suka warna orange, because masa tu buat pakai baju warna orange. So that's why I mix the orange and black. So I will share the picture also. So and then on my face, pakai tu pun dentist terus letak apa tu, bite riser, which is gigi atas dan bawah takkan boleh bersentuh. Ya, so you pun makan macam udahlah, makan pelan, you tak gigit pun, you tak boleh gigit. Tapi definitely from the day 1 until now, I tak pernah rasa sakit gigi. It just susah nak gigit. Susah nak gigit makanan, masak awal lah. Macam 3-4 hari pertama tu susah sikit nak gigit. Sebab kita tak biasa. Sebab dia pakai pasal bite riser is quite macam tinggi sikit. So isi kalau nak gigit tak ada gap, there's a gap. Okay, so dia macam, tapi dulu saya tinggi sikit lah, so dia tak boleh nak gigit dengan bestnya. Dulu gigit tak best kan, gigit boleh best saja lah. Dah boleh gigit daging tu, okay lah, very nice. Okay, so dia pasang bite riser, mungkin bite riser yang ada tunjuk. And then on second month pun dia pasang, dia tambah lagi, dia naikkan lagi bite riser because of masa first month I ada langkah pantang larang, I ada makan baby keras, so dia macam pecah sikit bite riser tu. Tapi sebab dentist saya tak marah. Okay, so dia macam letak lagi bite riser. On the third month, dia pasang atas bite riser. So I ada 4 bite riser. So bawah 2, lagi gigi rahap, atas pun 2. So sampai sekarang bite riser I ada. Okay, so I'm not very sure if you guys boleh nampak I punya perubahan ke tak. But for me, definitely I love it because I tak nampak gigi taring dah. Okay, so I just sekarang anak ketat gigi. Sekarang kalau anak ketat gigi, I tak boleh ketat gigi macam biasa yang sebelum pakai braces. Kalau dulu macam ni, okay, gigi dia ni dekat depan. Dan sekarang I kena letak dia ada sama rata. I kena macam selalu kena practice letak sama rata supaya gigi yang bawah ni tak bergerak ke depan lagi. Okay, so itu sahaja. So nanti I ada gambar, I letak gambar my face masa dentist pakaikan, dentist gamkan apa nama dia, dentist gamkan besinya bracket ya. Masa dentist gamkan bracket ni, saya adalah gambar, and then ada video. I don't think ada video, saya gambar je. So that's all my experience. For me it's a very nice. Okay, for those anak yang macam yang sedia macam dekat dengan area Kelang, Kapar or Setia Alam, you guys boleh check it out juga dekat, boleh you guys boleh check it out juga kat tempat yang I pergi ni, which is masa I buat X-ray I just need to pay 100, and then my second and then masa molding also 100, so total 200. Masa pasang braces, the deposit is 800, so total 1000. My monthly is 140. It's a very, very reasonable for me. It's a very reasonable, not really cheap, but it's a normal price lah. Monthly punya bayaran biasa 140 is still reasonable and affordable. Okay, for me it's affordable untuk 140 a month. Okay, so yeah, macam my first video I told that there's 4 types of braces, which is I am wearing the most cheapest than others braces, okay, which is conventional, which is you can choose colors every month. This one is, but conventional is much hurt the other than 3 types of braces, which is ceramic and then self-ligating. I'm not very sure about other ones, but ceramic and self-ligating is less the less hurt, sakit tu kurang sikit other than extra roots. Dia kurang sakit rather than macam pakai conventional. But to me, as I said earlier, that I tak pernah rasa sakit langsung, I tak pernah ada ulcer, tak pernah lagi. Okay, it is hard for few days yang awal-awal pakai je susah nak gigit because of I have the bite riser. But I think if I didn't have the bite riser, it would be nice and I takkan rasa susah nak makan. Okay, so itu sahaja yang I punya experience. Okay, I will share from the first day I pasang braces and sampai sekarang. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please comment down below, and if you have any suggestions on regarding for on next videos, okay, so please comment down below also, and I will also put my email also in the description. If you have any questions, you can email me lah. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching And for those who haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay? 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 Okay, so thank you. See you on the next video. Assalamualaikum.